Well, good morning to the class 7th. So, today the same problems of exercise number 1.5 we will start today. Yesterday, what we have seen, how to simplify the different numbers, mixed numbers. Now, today also we will learn. So, before learning this thing, one thing you must know that in which order the numbers are solved. So, as in the last class also, you must have seen that this is the B BODMAS. B BODMAS. This is the sequences of the solving the problems. So, V means Bensulum, B means bracket, O means half, D means divide, M means multiply, A means addition, and S means subtraction. So, in this sequence, always solve the mixed problem. Now, again, you should know regarding this thing, Bensulum, what is brackets, and what is half. Bensulum means this Bensulum is denoted by a line. Certain problems are there. Now just see these problems. Here on the 2 plus 3, one line is drawn. So this line is a Bensulum. So solving of this or simplifying of this problem, first of all what we solve, that is Bensulum. This is also sometimes called line brackets. So Bensulum, again bracket, this is the Bensulum. It is denoted by a line over some numbers, just like in this one. On the number of 2 plus 3, one line is drawn. This symbol is a Bensulum. So, before solving all these numbers, first we will solve this. After that, which sequence is coming? Brackets. In bracket also, brackets, there are three types of brackets. One is represented in this way. Second, this way. Third, this way. So generally, this is also sometimes it is called line bracket. So this also you can include in the bracket also. So first line bracket, then this is the small bracket. Small bracket are also box bracket. So, if any mixed problem is given, somehow see this bracket is given, this bracket is given, and here you see these three brackets are given. So this is, so before in which sequence you should solve the brackets? First line bracket or Bensulum, after that small bracket, and this bracket is known as curly bracket. Armadillo bracket also you can say, and this is big bracket. So in this sequence, first solve this, after that this, then this, then after last the big bracket. This big bracket is also, this is not a square bracket also it is known. Square or box it is also called, box bracket. So different name, usually we use to big bracket. So first you will solve the line bracket or Bensulum. After that brackets. In the bracket there are three types. First you solve the small, then middle or curly bracket, then this is the big bracket. In this sequence we will solve. Again, when we will solve, it will be more clear. After that, if in this problem half is written anywhere, suppose anywhere it is written 3 half 2, so half, and after that half, the division will be solved, and then multiplication, then add and subtraction. So now we will start the solving the problem. So take one question number 1b. As already it is written here, so we will solve this problem. First problem, 29 minus big bracket 38 minus 40 divided by 2 minus 6 minus 9 divided by 3 small bracket, curly bracket and big bracket. Small bracket, big bracket and curly bracket. Now just see, this is the big bracket. The whole number is written under this one, and after that this is the curly bracket. In this curly bracket, this much number is written, and in the small bracket, this much number is written here. So before, first of all, what we will do? Here there is no right bracket, so leave it. After that, start solving brackets. Brackets, first see the small bracket. So this first we will solve. Now start solving here. 29 minus 38 minus 40 divided by 2 minus 6 minus 3 divided by 3. Here now again see, here subtraction, here division. So in this mixed problem, first we solve the division. So 9, don't solve 6 minus 9 first, because after the division, first division, then if there is multiplication, then solve multiplication, after that addition and subtraction. So here only division and subtraction is there. So first solve this thing. So 9 divided by 3. So 6, 9 divided by 3 will come how much? 3. Close, put all the bracket. Step by step solve. Till this bracket is completely solved. Now again 6 minus 3. When you will solve, then this bracket you can take it out. Now 29 minus 38 minus 40 divided by 2 minus 6 minus 3. It is coming 3. So if you solve this one, you can remove this bracket. So 2, 3, 6 minus 3, 3. When you will open this one, so 2 minus 3. Now this is already solved. So small bracket is solved. Now again we will move further. Next 29 minus. Now after solving the small, then we will start curly bracket. So in the curly bracket, 40 divided by 2 minus 3. Here also division and subtraction is there. So in this one, first we will divide. Then after that we will subtract this number. So 38 minus 40. If you divide 2, so it will come 20 minus 3. 2 brackets. Small bracket is already solved. Now 20 minus 3, it will come 17. So 29 minus 38 minus 20 minus 3, 17. Now this is solved. Now the box bracket is there. After that, 38 minus 17, it will come how much? 29 minus 17, 8, 9, 8, 7, 1, 1, 2. So see, check the 3B. So 29 minus 38 minus 40 plus 2 minus 6 minus 9 divided by 3. Oh. Suppose this is the problem. Six minus 3 divided by 3. Now here 38. So again subtract this one. 8. So answer is 8. Now in this problem and in this problem, what was the difference? Here divide by 3 is also, but here there is no divide by 3. So this problem will come how much? Again check. 29 minus 38 minus 40 divided by 2 minus 6 minus 9 plus 3. 3 3 are 9. 6 minus 3 3. 2 minus 3 7. Then 40 divided by 2 minus 3, then again 2, 40, 20, 17, 38, 38 minus 17, 29 minus 1, 28. So this is for example. Now accordingly, see in the book, question number B is given. So we will start for solving the question number B. Question number B, again write the next problem. Which is given in the book 1B question. So write the question. Question is already written here. 29 minus big bracket 38 minus curly bracket 40 divided by 2 minus small bracket 6 minus 9 divided by 3 bracket close divided by 3. Yes. Start solving. 29, as I have told you already, first we will solve the small bracket. So 38 minus 40 divided by 2 minus, in this one division and subtraction is there. First we will solve the division. So 3 3 are 9. 6 minus 3 divided by 3. This again 29 minus 38 minus 40 divided by 2 minus 6 minus 3 minus 3 divided by 3. So again it has become in this form. This is the curly bracket. Now one division is here, other division is here. So this is our first. 29 minus 38 minus 40 divided by 2. So 40 divided by 2, it will come 20. Minus 3 divided by 3, 1. So 29 minus 38, 23. 6 minus 3, 3. So 20 minus 1, 9. 38 minus 19. So 29, 38 minus 19. So 10. So answer will come for the question number in the book, question number 1B. Question number 1B. So answer will come 10. Clear? So same way, the next problem also is solved. Here only one difference is there. Here line bracket. In this question number 1 there was no line bracket. So again we will do the practice of this. Take this problem, question number 1, C. 14 minus half, 13 plus 2 minus 7 plus 5 minus 2 plus 3. This. Here one line break is there. So first of all we will solve this one. 2 plus 3. So 14 minus half, 13 plus 2 minus 7 plus 5, 2 plus 3 minus 5. So here again 14 minus half, 13 plus 2. Now this solve. 7 plus 5, 12. 12 minus 5, 17. So it will come 17. Now this bracket is already, small bracket is solved. Now only curly bracket and big bracket is remaining. So 14 minus half, 13, 2, 13 plus 2, 15 minus 1, 13 plus 2, 15 minus 17. So it will come minus 2. Again half, 13 plus 2 bar, no, here will come bar. So 2 minus 7, so 15. 8 it will come. 13 plus 2, 15 minus 7, 8. Now 2, 14 minus half into 8. So 2 4 8. So 14 minus 4. This will also come 10. This is the answer of question C. Let's see. 1.5. Question number 1 plus C part. 10. Question number 1 C. 1.51 C 10. It's okay. So the answer of this problem is this one. Now 2 more problems are given here that you can do your own practice. इसको homework में दे रहे हैं जो दोनों COD कहाँ तक सॉल्व करेंगे. D. Take the next question. Only keep the sequences of this solving this one V O D M A S B board mass. In this sequence we will solve. Now next question is using appropriate bracket write a mathematical expression for each of the following. Now next question, question number 2. Some word problem is given. From this word problem you have to make the problem. Suppose question number A, 63 divided by 1 more than the sum of 3 and 5. This, from this word problem, 63 is divided by. So what you will write? 63 is divided by. Divided by what? Divided by 1 more than the sum of 3 and 5. 1 more than the sum of 3 and 5. 3 and 5 के sum से एक ज़्यादा. 1 more than sum of 3 and 5. Or you can write 3 plus 5. This is the sum. और इससे एक ज़्यादा प्लस 1. So from this one you have to divide 63. So this way you can make this 63 divided by this number. See the wording, 63 is divided by this number. Which number? That is explained in the wordings. Sum of 3 and 5, 1 more. So 1 more plus 3 plus 5. So this way you can make the problem. Next, 3 multiplied by 2 less than the difference of the 16 and 4. 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by, so multiplied by, you can start the bracket also. Suppose first we make this one. 3 multiplied by what? 2 less than the difference of 16 and 4. Difference of 16 and 4. This is the difference of 16 and 4. And इससे 2 कम, 3 को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करना है? 16 और 4 के डिफरेंस से 2 कम को मल्टीप्लाई करना है. तो -2 इससे इसको मल्टीप्लाई करना है. सो हियर दिस यू कैन मेक 2 लेस than difference of 16 minus 4, and this from this one you have to multiply 3. So here either put, if you are not putting this one, this is also right, this way you can write 3 into 16 minus 4 minus 2. So this way from this word problem you have to make the questions. Next, 18 subtracted from 1/3 of the sum of 60 and 30. From 1/3 the sum of 60 and 30, 18 subtracted. 18 is subtracted. 18 घटाया गया है. तो किसमें से? From 1/3 of the sum of 60 and 30. 60 and 30 सम इसके 1/3 से, सम ऑफ 60 एंड 30, 1/3 ऑफ सम ऑफ 60 एंड 30, इससे व्हाट इज सब्ट्रैक्टेड? 18 is subtracted, minus 18. This is the 18 is subtracted from 1/3 of sum of 60 plus 3. 60 plus 3 के सम के 1/3 से 18 is subtracted. Next, 80 divided by 4 times. This is the third problem. Problem number D. 80 divided by 80. 80 divided by what? 4 times the sum of 2 and 3. Sum of 2 and 3, 2 plus 3 इसका 4 times. So here also 4 times. Now this with this one, 80 divided by this much. That is what? Sum of 2 plus 3 multiplied by 4. 4 times the sum of 2 and 3. So this is also right. 9 multiplied by sum of, again next question, E. 9 multiplied by the sum of 3, 4 and 5. 9 multiplied by what? Sum of 3, 4 and 5. 3 plus 4 plus 5. So this thing you can remove, here only you can write 9 into 3 plus 4 plus 5. So this is the complete answer of question number 2. So this way exercise number 1.5 is completely solved. Again 5 minutes. So 9 into 3 plus 4 plus 5, 1/3, 60 plus 30, 60 plus 30. C. Question number C. 60 and 30. Here 3 is not 60 plus 30 is there. So here you can do the correction 30. Sum of 1/3 of 60 and 30. And 18 divided by 4 times the sum of 2 and 3. 18, question number 1. 18 divided by 4 into 2 plus 3. 4 into 2 plus 3, 18. It is correct. Next, 9 into 3 plus 4 plus 5. So this way you have solved the problem of exercise number 1.4.
5.
1.5. Next class, see one more thing. This is exercise, chapter number 1 is completely finished. Now in the last review exercise, thinking skills, fill in the blanks. This, take the book and from there you yourself do and complete. If later on when the regular class will start, so if you have any problem, so we will solve that one also. So what I am thinking to start in the next class, chapter number 2. This thinking skill, review exercise and exemplar problem, these all you try to solve at home. If there is any problem comes, so when your continuous classes will start, then in that one we will solve the. Thank you.